So, Arnie,
Yeah.
what about a canary?
Canary. Yeah, the ones that go whistle.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
we've
right.
got one of them in the house.
Okay, I'll make you a canary.
Yeah. Okay. A yellow one.
So I've got a yellow 260 balloon.
Right.
I've inflated about 3/4.
Yep.
And I'm going to use this to make the body of the canary.
Okay.
I'll start knotted end.
Yep.
Make a small bubble. Then a loop twist for the cheek.
Yep.
Then a large loop for the head. Another small loop for the other cheek. And then a 3 bubble roll through for the tail.
All right. 3 bubble roll.
Shape it up, something like that. So you have a loop twist for the cheek, loop twist for the head and the body, and leave the small tail.
All right.
So hold that for me.
Yeah, I can do that.
I'm going to make a beak. I've got a 260Q orange one, which I've inflated to about 15-20 centimetres and push the air from the top end down to the bottom end. Now I'm going to divide it into half and tie it off. Discard the extra balloon.
Yeah, right. Just break it off.
That's right. But keep it. You'll need it in a
Okay.
moment. Now have the body back, please.
Yep.
I'm going to attach the beak to the head in between the two cheeks by simply wedging the balloon in and wrapping the knot around the back of the head
Right.
and under the cheek and back again.
Mm-hmm.
That'll hold the beak onto the canary.
Very good.
So hold that again for me over there, please.
Yeah, can do that.
I'm now going to give it some eyes.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a white balloon.
Right. Just like the dog.
That's right. I inflated it again just under halfway.
Yeah. Yeah.
And break it off.
Ranger Hardy showed me his dog.
Oh, did he? The golden one I made?
Yeah, it had white eyes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to tie it into a loop. Just tie a granny knot there. Okay, now if I take that canary back,
Yeah.
I'm going to tie
Yeah.
the knotted end of the white balloon onto the head of the canary in the same spot that I tied the beak, simply by wrapping the knotted end around the back of the head.
Right.
And under. So I'm going to roll this looped eye section through the larger loop of the head, simply by rolling it through the balloon.
Okay, careful you don't break it.
That's right. Adjust the beak again. So there I have the eyes and the beak of the canary and the body. All it needs now is some legs. So hold him for me again.
Yep. Okay.
Now that orange balloon I discarded before, which I kept, I'm now going to reinflate. Almost all the way up, soften. Because that end's knotted, I've left about 4 to 5 centimetres at the other end.
Right.
Discard the end of the knot so
Yeah,
it
break
evens
it
up.
off.
And then starting at knotted end, and this end, I'm going to do a bubble, followed by a loop twist, a small one. Squeeze the air through the other end so it softens the balloon. Do the same in the other end, a bubble and a small loop twist. Then divide that middle bubble in half to form the legs. But there you have some canary legs.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So if I can have the canary back, please. I'm going to attach the legs onto the canary simply by wedging these legs at the tail. Wrap it around a couple of times just to lock it on. Bring your loops to the front. Okay, and there's the canary.
Yep.
But he needs a finishing touch.
Oh, what's that?
But hold him for me.
Yep. Right.
I'm going to make it a swing.
Oh, make it a swing.
Got a 260 balloon.
Yep.
And I've left about 2 centimetres uninflated. I'm going to tie it into a circle.
Right. This will be the swing like the parrot.
That's right.
Yep.
Except on a larger scale.
Right.
Just a granny knot. And soften the whole balloon so it's evenly distributed. And then I'm going to form a twist, a bubble about 10 centimetres in, and a loop twist.
Yep.
And the same on the other side.
Right.
And there's the swing.
Fantastic. That's really good.
Canary back, please.
Yep.
Thank you. I'm going to wedge it by wrapping the tail at the knot of the swing.
Right.
And then take out my texter
Yep.
and draw on some eyes.
They're squeaky.
They are, aren't they?
You're colouring it in.
That's right.
Yep. Yeah, it's a nice Tweety bird.
He's in. And there you have a beautiful yellow canary.
Yeah, it's a beauty. Yeah, that was a fairly difficult one to make, but it looks good.
That's right. Hang him in your house. He's a crowd pleaser
Yeah,
too.
hang him next to the canary in the house.
Don't let him peck him though.
Someone to talk to. Yeah, anyway, catch her.